When you're out in the wilderness, knowing how to manage wood and fire can be the difference between comfort and survival. Whether you're lost on a trail, facing an emergency, or just honing your outdoor skills, mastering these basics is essential. Today, I'll teach you practical strategies for gathering, preparing, and using wood to create and sustain fire, a survival cornerstone. In any survival situation, choosing the right type of wood is crucial. Start by looking for dead, dry wood. It burns more efficiently and produces less smoke. Prioritize wood that's off the ground, as moisture seeps into fallen logs. Hardwoods like oak or hickory burn longer and produce steady heat, making them ideal for long-term fires. Softwoods, such as pine, ignite quickly due to their resin content and are perfect for starting fires, but burn out faster. A successful fire begins with preparation. Collect these 3 layers of materials. Tinder. This is your ignition material. Look for dry grass, pine needles, or even shredded bark. If you're struggling to find natural tinder, use pocket lint or waxed cotton balls. Kindling. Small sticks about the thickness of a pencil or finger are perfect. They catch fire quickly and help sustain the flame. Fuelwood. These are larger logs or branches that maintain the fire. Make sure they're dry and free of excess bark, which can trap moisture. There are several effective methods to build a fire. Here are 2 reliable setups. The teepee. Arrange your tinder in the center, then lean kindling around it in a cone shape. This allows air to flow easily through the structure, feeding the fire. The log cabin. Lay 2 pieces of fuelwood parallel to each other. Stack smaller logs or kindling crosswise on top, creating a box-like structure. Place your tinder inside. This method is great for controlled, steady flames. Once your fire is lit, keep feeding it gradually, starting with smaller sticks and working up to larger logs. Avoid smothering it with too much material at once, and always monitor the fire to prevent it from dying or spreading. To recap, remember these survival fire essentials. Choose the right wood, hardwoods for endurance, softwoods for ignition. Gather tinder, kindling, and fuelwood to build a lasting fire. Use fire structures like the teepee or log cabin for efficient burning. Maintain and monitor your fire to keep it steady and safe. The ability to manage wood and fire isn't just a skill, it's a survival lifeline. Practice building fires in controlled environments so you're ready when it matters most. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share it with your fellow adventurers, and subscribe for more essential survival tips. Stay prepared, stay safe, and keep exploring.